Good morning, students. This is Perkin reaction. Name reaction that Perkins reaction. Before the reaction, I have told you in the previous video regarding the benzoin condensation, Tisenko reaction, Cannizzaro reaction, aldol condensation. Now we come to the Perkins reaction. When aromatic aldehyde, when any aromatic aldehyde like the benzaldehyde, when aromatic aldehyde is treated with the anhydride of carboxylic acid in presence of sodium salt of that carboxylic acid, we get unsaturated acid. Repeating again, when aromatic aldehyde is treated with the acid anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of that acid, we get finally unsaturated acid. Like when you can say when benzaldehyde is treated with ethanoic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate, we get cinnamic acid, that is unsaturated apart from the acetic acid. You can write this in a statement. Now I am going to write a chemical equation. There is a benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Acetic anhydride CH3 CO, you can say, and after then acetic anhydride, or you can say ethanoic anhydride. This is benzaldehyde. This water molecule degrades to form CH double bonded CHCO CH3 C double bonded O. This is an intermediate product. Now reaction with the water to form this one, CH double bond CH COOH plus CH3 COOH. This is cinnamic acid. This is cinnamic acid. Now you can take a screenshot of this reaction at this point. Now reaction with amine. Aromatic aldehyde reacts with aniline or aliphatic amine. I mean to say aromatic aldehyde reacts with amine. It may be aliphatic, it may be aromatic in the presence of acid. In the presence of acid, they form Sif base. And aromatic aldehyde reacts with primary amine, whether aliphatic or aromatic, in presence of acid. In presence of acid, they form Sif base. You can take a screenshot and so that you can make a statement of this one. This is benzaldehyde, that is aromatic aldehyde. Reacts with any amine. I am using the aniline. This is benzaldehyde. Reacts with aniline in the presence of any acid. H2 molecule is liberated and you will get this one, CH double bond N this is benzyl aniline, or you can say it is Sif base. It is Sif base. In this way, aromatic aldehyde reacts with aniline. You may use ethylamine in place of aniline. Now I am giving homework to you. You have to write the aldol condensation reaction of acetophenone. Acetophenone, you have to use 2 molecules of acetophenone for the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation given reaction given by the acetophenone. This is homework for it is home assignment. You have to write the chemical equation of aldol condensation reactions between the molecules of acetophenone and send the answer in group.